Good day, I am Al Salvo, and today I will share some of the philosophy of community. Uh, First, awareness and self-reflection. It helps that manage your emotions, develop stronger relationships, and achieve your goals. It enhances self-awareness. helps you to helps you make better choices and promote personal growth as an individual. Self-reflection is looking at yourself, your actions, and your thoughts, as well as how others perceive you, to better understand how you show up and doing so, to improve your self awareness and know yourself better. Then, learning through experience, a process of gaining knowledge by doing. It involves actively engaging with experiences, reflecting on them, and connecting them. People participate in activities like community service, internships, and capstone projects that connects their learning in real life situation. Lastly, peer influence. It impact of peers on a person's behavior, values, and beliefs that can be positive or negative. It's natural for people to identify with and compare themselves to their peers as they consider how they wish to be, or or think they should be, or what they want to achieve. So plan what you say or what you do, and that's all. Thank you.